Pressure looks stable on the starboard balloon.
Confirming attachment sequence complete. We are green to lift.
Look at the state of this section.
Yeah, completely covered in barnacles and rust.
Look at the corrosion pattern here on the sphere. We need to analyze the material degradation immediately.
Pressure looks stable on the starboard balloon.
Confirming attachment sequence complete. We are green to lift.
We got her down! Well done, team!
We need to reinforce this section immediately. Otherwise, the structural integrity of the entire assembly is compromised.
The marine growth is extensive here. All right, let's hit it with the high-pressure jets.
Look at the pressure on that seal. It's failing faster than we anticipated.
We need to shut down the main valve immediately.
The schematics show a tolerance of plus or minus 2 microns here.
And the caliper reading matches that exactly.
Watch out below. We're dislodging heavy material.
Roger that. Stay clear of the drop zone.
The torque readings are unstable. Look at Sector 4.
Acknowledged. We need to adjust the thrust immediately.
All right, slowly now. Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
Copy that. Lowering to position C.
Make sure you document the wear on the cutting head here by the number 11 plate.
Got it. The 9 section looks good, though.
Yes, data matches.
Check the pressure on the gear housing.
Tablet shows consistent reading.
All right, let's move it down to the next section.
Slow the descent. We are clear on the port side.
Confirmed. Lowering 5 meters.
Slow down. Bring it down 5 centimeters.
Laser reads green. Steady as she goes.
Confirmed on the tablet. Alignment is good.
Watch the clearance on the main beam. Okay, hold it there. Now hit that center bolt with the impact wrench.
Lower Bertha another 5 meters. Copy that, 5 meters down.
The tolerance here is off by 2 millimeters.
Confirmed. We need to recalibrate the laser alignment.
All right, connect the hydraulics to manifold 7.
Watch the tension on line 4.
Clear left side, lowering coupling now. Watch your spacing on the lift.
All right, easy now.
We're clear on this side, keep going.
Lowering sequence initiated. Steady tension on lines 3 and 4.
Copy that. Maintaining tension.
Clear on this side, coming down slowly.
Okay, easy now. Does that fit the groove?
Almost there. Hold it steady. Right, I'll start tightening this down.
Steady on the east side. Alignment looks good here. Keep it coming down slow. The thermal readings on this section are stable.
Good. Let's check the structural integrity right here. Keep going. We need another 40 centimeters before the support structure.
The readings here are still high. Keep going. All right, focusing on this quadrant now. The installation is complete. Everything is calibrated.
Looks solid. Solid.
Now, regarding the main controls up here, we need to monitor the high pressure.
The alignment looks good according to the screen data.
Confirm. All the connections are secure now.
Ready for power-up sequence.
Keep an eye on the alignment sequence up top. Once it stabilizes, we are good to go.
Initiating sequence Alpha 7. All systems nominal. Confirmed. Pressure holding steady.
We're showing green across the board here. Let's push the throughput and see how she handles the load.
The metrics are responding well to the input. The alignment looks good on the upper segments.
Agreed. Let's increase the RPM slightly.
Check the tolerance right here on the flange.
Looks good. The vibration is minimal.
The coating looks perfect.
Indeed. We should inspect the coupling bolts up there before final sign-off.